Well, the man accused of accidentally shooting and killing 34-year-old Luke Adrian-Heiner Barmes last weekend went before a Jackson County judge for the first time today.
But this isn't the first brush with the law that the suspect, Vincent DiCostanzo, has had. NBC5's Natalie Weber joins us now live in studio with more. Natalie.
Craig, Kristen, Vincent DiCostanzo currently has another open case in Jackson County Circuit Court for felony drug charges and a DUI. He was previously convicted of robbery in the second degree in 2014, and after speaking with police today, they say drugs were involved when DiCostanzo fatally shot Barmes on Saturday.
There is no beef, there's no argument, there's no bad feelings. They met to do a transaction. There's a handing of a gun back and forth. The gun is discharged and we have a deceased person.
Medford Police Sergeant Brent Mack says Vincent DiCostanzo shot and killed 34-year-old Luke Adrian-Heiner Barmes on accident last Saturday. And now he's behind bars once again.
First with a Class A felony exposing you to 20 years in prison and a fine of $375,000.
In court today, Judge Lorenzo Mejia read DiCostanzo the charges he faces: manslaughter 1, 2, and felon in possession of a firearm. After arresting DiCostanzo on May 1st for an unrelated warrant, Medford police officially charged him with the crimes Thursday morning.
They did a very complete and thorough investigation, and at the end of that, this is the result we have.
Sergeant Mack says on Saturday, DiCostanzo went to Barmes' house on the 200 block of Iowa Street to sell him something.
The gun itself wasn't really part of this deal or transaction they were doing. It was brought to the scene.
Police say the men were passing the firearm back and forth when it went off. Was it drug related?
Yeah.
NBC5 News dug into DiCostanzo's criminal past and found that he now has 2 open cases in Jackson County Circuit Court, both involving felony charges. His only conviction, second-degree robbery in 2014. But now, he's behind bars, facing his most serious charges yet. Police are still looking to interview witnesses. They're asking anyone who has any information to come forward and report it. Live in studio, Natalie Weber, NBC5 News.